Fresh mangoes arrive at Kawei Future Factories, ready for AI processing. Robotic arms swiftly unload mangoes, maintaining perfect handling. Each mango is carefully picked up by advanced AI claws.
The factory hums with rhythm and precision.
Thousands of mangoes move along high-speed conveyors, ready for inspection.
The conveyor system ensures a smooth, continuous flow of fruit. High-precision sensors scan each mango for size and quality. Even in slow motion, the process is precise and efficient. The factory handles 20,000 mangoes every hour with AI accuracy. Gentle movement prevents bruising, preserving fruit quality. From crate to conveyor, the journey begins in style and speed. The mangoes enter a futuristic AI-driven processing hall. Defective mangoes are immediately detected for removal.
AI overlays highlight quality grades in real time.
Crates are carefully rotated to align fruits perfectly on the belt. Multiple conveyor lanes combine seamlessly for efficiency. The factory hums with precision as the mangoes move forward. Next, the mangoes pass through automated high-pressure washers. Sprays cleanse each fruit without damaging delicate skin. Rotating systems ensure every mango is thoroughly cleaned. Advanced AI arms inspect every mango individually. Sensors quickly identify any imperfections for removal. Defective fruits are separated seamlessly from the main line. Our AI guarantees a 98% defect detection rate. Cleaned mangoes proceed toward sorting stations. Rotating dryers remove excess moisture efficiently. Soft brushes polish the fruit to perfection. The washing process is a ballet of machinery and precision. Every droplet glistens under the high-tech factory lighting. Rows of mangoes move forward in perfect symmetry. Follow one mango on its journey through the washing line.
Perfect mangoes are highlighted for immediate grading. The washing hall resonates with efficiency and futuristic sounds.
Next, the mangoes move to the AI-powered sorting station. Each mango is evaluated and picked according to size. Grades are displayed instantly on holographic overlays. Multiple robotic arms sort hundreds of mangoes simultaneously. Precision placement ensures no mistakes in grading. Graded mangoes continue seamlessly to peeling and cutting.
The AI continuously monitors for color and ripeness.
A bird's eye view shows the symphony of automation. Gentle nudges prevent bruising while aligning mangoes perfectly. Real-time stats ensure smooth operation and efficiency. Synchronized movement highlights cutting-edge AI precision. Every mango finds its exact position flawlessly. The grippers shine under the futuristic factory lights. The scale of operation is both massive and elegant.
Symmetry and repetition create a satisfying visual flow.
Now, the mangoes move into the automated peeling station.
High-precision peelers remove skin flawlessly, revealing bright, juicy mango flesh in perfect form.
Robotic slicers cut mangoes uniformly for packaging.
Multiple mangoes are sliced simultaneously with perfect timing.
Arms pick each slice with precision and care.
Every slice is controlled by advanced AI technology. Slices move along the conveyor for final packaging. The station operates in a mesmerizing, synchronized rhythm. Blades move with millimeter-perfect accuracy. Slices drop gently, maintaining perfect arrangement. AI arranges slices with surgical precision.
The scale and efficiency are truly futuristic.
AI ensures only perfect slices proceed forward. Soft hums and clicks accompany this precise operation.
Finally, the mango slices reach the automated packaging station.
Arms place slices into trays with exact alignment. Trays move seamlessly to the sealing station. Each tray is sealed airtight for freshness. Slices are packaged carefully into shipping boxes. The AI ensures a constant output of 20,000 mangoes per hour. Boxes are stacked efficiently for shipment. Robotic forklifts transport boxes with precision and speed. Robotic forklifts gather together after transportation. Perfect placement guarantees quality in every shipment. Observe the journey of a single box from factory to truck. Shipment is loaded efficiently, ready for delivery. AI adjusts every box for optimal space and balance.
A complete production summary is displayed in real time. A final panoramic view of the fully automated mango line.
Kawei Future Factories, where AI powers production, innovation, and efficiency.